In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Calendly meetings. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments and managing your time more effectively. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, clients, or even friends, Calendly helps streamline the process so you can focus on what truly matters. If you're new to Calendly, or perhaps you just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through how to log in and access your meeting details. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your schedule effortlessly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. Once it's open, navigate to the address bar at the top of your screen and type in Calendly's official website. That's spelled www.calendly.com. Press the Enter key and you'll be directed straight to their homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Login. Click on that to proceed to the login page. This step is important because it's where you'll enter your account details to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to choose how you want to log in. If you already have a Calendly account, you can enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Alternatively, if your Calendly account is linked to your Google account, you can click the Google option to log in using those credentials. And finally, if your account is linked to Microsoft, select the Microsoft option instead. Depending on your setup, you can choose whichever method works best for you. If you select the Microsoft option, you'll be redirected to a page called login.microsoftonline.com. This is Microsoft's secure portal where you'll need to enter your Microsoft credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click Sign In. Now it's important to make sure you've entered the correct details here to avoid any delays. If you run into issues, double-check your credentials or reset your password if needed. Once you've successfully authenticated your login, you'll be redirected back to your Calendly homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the homepage, one of the key sections you'll want to locate is the Meetings section. You can find this either directly on the homepage or by navigating through the main menu at the top of the screen. The Meetings section is your go-to area for reviewing both your upcoming appointments and any past meeting details. This feature is especially handy for staying on top of your schedule and ensuring you never miss a critical meeting. Scroll through your list of meetings to check for any upcoming appointments or to revisit details from meetings you've already had. Now, while you're in the Meetings section, take some time to explore the available settings and options. For example, you can adjust your notification preferences to ensure you're reminded about upcoming meetings in a way that works for you, whether that's via email or another method. You can also set your availability preferences, which is great for letting others know when you're free to meet. And if you want to customize your meeting links to make them more personal or professional, you can do that here too. Each of these options is designed to give you more control over your scheduling experience, so make sure to tailor them to fit your needs. And that's it. You've now learned how to access your Calendly meetings and navigate the essential features to stay organized and efficient. If you have any questions about Calendly or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.